Hey, welcome back to my channel, Johnny Datsun. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the update on the 510 1972 wagon Datsun. So I'm already done with all the floors, as you guys could see. I've been a little busy with other stuff, but yeah, so all the floors already all done. She's looking very good. Very nice, all primed up, ready to paint. Then I'm gonna do the bottom, spray the bottom. I mean, I got it up in the air, so she's pretty good there. So I can get underneath. As you guys know, I already did the bottom already. So the bottom is all done. So nice and clean, no rust at all. Check it out. Looking beautiful. All pure metal here, nice and clean. Check it out. Floors are really nice. This is the one that I got from Cali. I just finished replacing the brake pedal. The other one was bended for some reason. Don't know why, how. And all the floors are cleaned out, ready to paint. As you guys can see, we're going to be doing the whole front end completely. I'm going to order the whole 9 yards of that. Boring, joints, bushings, everything, tie rods, and all that's going to be replaced too. Now my next step is, as you guys know, I already did the whole bottom already a few months ago. And I already wrapped up those because I already have them all sprayed out nice, so clean, so they don't get oversprayed. I'm gonna have to touch it anyway, but at least protected. This is I'm gonna be doing that, cleaning all that, sanding and spraying all those parts in satin black, you know, so that's gonna look really nice. Semi or satin, anything that looks better than the way it is now. So then, as you guys know, I already did the dashboard here. So we got the metal dash. It's already sprayed. We got it over there. And hopefully I can start putting all the doors back and start doing some body work on it. You know, basically a few dents. I already stripped all this down to the bare metal, so she's not rotted at all. Nothing. This is what you see here, the paint is all the metal. It's got the dents here, which it had Bondo. I took it out. I'm gonna pull all this out. You know, all that had a little hit right there. I was a little hit. It was sort of filled up. I'm gonna use this tool. I'm gonna use this tool. It's very good. So it's like it welds the rivet to the metal, and what it does, you just put a rivet there. You shoot it, and I'm gonna try. I already tried it in another part, and it did work, so it helped. So I'm gonna try here because there's a few little dents that I want to take out. Because when I bought this wagon, I didn't realize that they did some damage with the forklift. I guess they didn't pull it. They just lift it up with a forklift. It's the worst they can do when you buy a car in another state and you have it delivered. What they do is they use a forklift, so they bend it inside here, they bended that in, and they also did over here too. So now I gotta put those rivets here, and it's all metal. It's nice, it's not rotted, and you got all the edges beautiful, all nice, no Bondo here. But I was a little pissed when I saw this because of the forklift. They didn't have no courtesy to put a piece of wood underneath them, then, you know, from the frame. So they bended this side also. They did this side and this side. And the panels are really nice. Really nice. Really nice. And they also did this side too. I guess that's how these people work. Yeah, they bend it over here, and they bended it right over here. You see how they bended it here? It wasn't like that when I bought it. So the guy that I bought it in California, he sent me videos and picture, and I didn't see those dents. But it is what it is. So we're just gonna take care of it. At least I don't have to cut and weld. Just basically just pull it out and even it up. Yeah, so this is how she's looking very nice. After I'm done with those pieces, then the floors, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like put some wheels and drop it so I could fix a few little dents. I already got them circled. A few little dents here, little dent here, and also it looks like this wagon had a rack on top, a metal rack on top, so you can see the 3 holes here. So I gotta have to weld these and cover these out. Yeah, it has them on the top too, right over here. You see it? 1 here, 2, 3. I'm not gonna use a rack up here, so I'm just gonna leave it plain. I think they look nicer without them. You see the 3 holes right here? I'll take care of that. And another one here. That's it. Edges are nice. You can see all the edges here. Very nice. No rust at all, man. These are nice. So all nice. So clean these out. I got new rubbers for it. I got the new seals. And this is all nice too. All the edges are nice. No rust at all. Even here, not that bad. You know? Got a little hole right here. Patch up that little hole. Yeah, that's it. And it's got, I think this is for the wipers. I don't know, for the water. Not sure. Gotta look at that. So it's got this one and these over here. This one. I think, I don't know if that's for the wipers or the water, but we'll look into it. The antenna, I think I'm gonna eliminate that. I don't need that. Yeah. This is how she's looking. Hopefully in the next few weeks, maybe I could start throwing paint. I'm thinking of painting all this the same color of the wagon, the color that I'm gonna be using. So it looks all mostly like original, you know, in and out. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. This is an update on my 1972 Datsun 510 wagon. The 71, my son is still working on it, but he's been taking days off. He's working on something else, so soon he'll be back with that, and we could probably get that thing running also. All right, to the next video. Ciao.